Hey everyone, if you want to see how I make these delicious vegan barbecue cauliflower wings, then keep watching. The ingredients include 1 cup of Zanarans fish fry in one bowl, and then 1 cup of Zanarans fish fry in another bowl. You can use any seasonings that you like, but I am using black pepper, granulated onion, garlic powder, Creole seasoning, and chickenless seasoning salt. You're going to need some club soda, vegetable oil, barbecue sauce, and also cauliflower chopped up into little pieces or whatever size pieces that you like. I just went ahead and bought a bag. Now take 1 cup of club soda and 1 cup of the Zanarans fish fry and also half of your seasonings and mix all of that together. I'm showing you the consistency right here. It was just a little bit too thick, so I do add just a little bit more of the club soda just to make it a little bit thinner. Mix the rest of your seasonings with the other cup of the Zanarans fish fry. Make sure you have a wet hand and a dry hand, and then roll 1 piece of your cauliflower inside of the wet ingredients. Make sure it's coated all over, and then you're going to go ahead and roll that same piece inside of the dry ingredients. Make sure it's coated all over, and you're going to go ahead and repeat that for all of your cauliflower pieces. Right here I'm showing you the consistency after I added just a little bit more of the club soda. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 more coat of the dry ingredients to the cauliflower pieces. Next, go ahead and take some of the cauliflower pieces and fry it inside of your vegetable oil, and a temperature should be about medium-high. Turn them over once they are golden brown. Once they are golden brown on both sides, go ahead and remove them and then repeat the process with the rest of the pieces. Once your cauliflower wings have cooled for about 1 to 2 minutes, go ahead and roll it in the barbecue sauce, and make sure you roll it all around just to make sure the barbecue sauce is on the cauliflower wings evenly. This next step is optional, but I go ahead and add some green onions because I love green onions. If you do not like them, you do not have to put them. But if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I upload. But I'll talk to you all in my next video.